Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan or install GTV Sports Plus digital channel on your Newmax decoder. So the GTV Sports Plus, you're going to find them on the satellite and on the digital platform or the terrestrial platform as well. So on the satellite, they have moved from the Astra 282B on the 28 degrees, which is part of the multi-TV platform. So you having the multi-TV channels and the GTV Sports Plus is not part of it. You cannot change the dish position whereby you're going to lose the multi-TV channels only to get some few channels and the GTV Sports Plus. So if you have a Newmax decoder that comes along with an antenna option, you have to install an antenna in addition to the satellite dish, and then you proceed by doing the right settings to get the GTV Sports Plus from the terrestrial platform. So all you got to do is to connect your antenna cable into the ANT port or the antenna port at the back of your decoder, and you pick up your Newmax decoder remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow buttons to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. By pressing OK on the installation, you have to proceed by confirming with the default password on the decoder. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you have to type in 0000 for it to open up. And here, it's supposed to be on the satellite like this if you have not yet scanned for the terrestrial channels on your decoder. The installation type will be the S2. So all you got to do is to press on the installation type to change it to T2. These are the settings for the satellite or the multi-TV channels right there. So change the installation type to T2, that's for the terrestrial and digital or the antenna channel settings. So here, since you are looking for the GTV Sports Plus and having a signal from the antenna, or you are not having a signal from antenna, all you got to do is to proceed by selecting the manual search. With the country folders, we have some installed frequencies in all the countries folders over here. So you can select any country, provided you're gonna find GTV Sports Plus frequency. Even if you can't find it over there, you can just edit the frequency, which is 482, and you are good to go. So you select the UK country folder, and then you press on the manual search right here. Here with the frequency, you can go ahead and then edit by typing in 482, or you just come to the channel number and then you select the number 22 over here, which is the frequency whereby you're gonna get the GTV Sports Plus right away. So here, the next thing that you have to do is to check the signal strength and the signal quality to monitor whenever you are rotating the antenna around to get a stable signal. So after knowing that you're having some signal quality and signal strength, the next thing is to perform the search to get the GTV Sports Plus. So you proceed by confirming yes. If you want to delete all the channels too, you can confirm, but if you want those channels to remain, then no, to proceed. So you need to wait for it to complete scanning and you get access to the GTV Sports Plus. But since you are having an antenna signal, you can't go along by performing only the manual search. So after getting your GTV Sports Plus, you need to perform a notice search so that you're gonna get almost all the channels that is around the frequency. So after performing it, you save it right there, and then you go back to check your GTV Sports Plus being saved for you. So you have the GTV Sports Plus right here, and in order for you to get more of the channels available, you can't just perform only the manual search, which will not allow you to get enough of the channels. So you go back, and then after getting your GTV Sports Plus, by knowing that you're having a quality signal quality, that will enable you to get a stable channel running. Then we come to the auto search to perform a search on it to get more of the channel that is around their frequency or any stable frequency that you are getting a quality signal with your antenna is going to bring out. So that's it. You need to wait for it to complete scanning to get all the channels that you are having a quality signal with your antenna, and you are good to go. So if this video is your first time watching the content on my channel, all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel. You like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.